If you're trying to send photos or video on Snapchat and it is saying not sending, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. Head over to your Play Store or your App Store and then type in Snapchat. Now if your application shows open, that's fine. But if it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Second thing you want to make sure is let's go ahead and launch up our settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here also you have to search for your Snapchat app. Once done, tap it and then tap on permissions. Now make sure that this camera and photos and videos are selected as allowed. Tap onto it, tap on allow only while using the app. Do the same for your photos and videos as well. If you would like to give other permissions like microphone and phone, you may go ahead and do that as well. Now come back onto App Info page. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead tap on Clear Data, but you might need to re-log into your Snapchat account. Now tap on Force Stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch your Snapchat, and this shall fix your problem.